When you're walking away, if you don't turn around and look back at your car, you are not driving the right vehicle. My grandparents were really good friends with this old-time farmer, and he had a field full of old, just junk cars. I mean, I'm like opening doors, I'm grabbing keys, and I just kind of fell in love there. Anything that had to do with automobilia, I was like just very interested in. I love looking at vehicles, and I love looking at what their potential could be. I took my first like big tax return and went out and grabbed an E30, and I just started wrenching on this thing. All these different tools off of Amazon, Harbor Freight, you know, cheap stuff. Love getting my hands dirty. The idea is I want to be using these things. I commute in my 99 M3. I take the convertible to hockey games. The one I'm most proud of, BMW station wagon, recognized immediately that this was a really rare bird. 472 produced from 2006 to 2011. I drove this vehicle for 3 years while I slowly turned it into the car that I wanted it to be. One of the things I'm most proud of, it's a 1999 BMW M3. It was on the poster of my bedroom growing up. I owned this particular vehicle for the last 11 years. I handled all the mechanicals that this vehicle needed. One of the hardest jobs I've ever done. Broke bolts along the way, skin knuckles, all those different things, but got it done. Set your goals, do your research, and then you put that research into action. Buy the parts one time, don't buy them 3 or 4 different times. And I've learned the hard way. Will I ever be an actual expert? No, but when you're thinking about like lifelong learning and things like that, those are what this hobby provides for me.